Today, I'm going to teach you how to display category name for each product in WooCommerce shop page. This is incredibly useful if you want your customers to quickly identify product categories right from the main shop view, making browsing more intuitive and organized. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that has your WooCommerce store set up. Once you're logged in, we'll need to install a plugin that allows us to add custom code to your site. On the left navigation menu, click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with several options. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the WordPress plugin library where you can browse and install thousands of available plugins. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top and type in Snippets. From the search results, look specifically for code snippets. This plugin allows you to add custom PHP code to your site without editing theme files directly. Click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Once you're comfortable with what it does, click on Install Now. The installation might take a while to finish, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, look at the left navigation menu and you'll notice a new option labeled Snippets. This is the plugin we've just installed. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Snippets overview page. From here, you'll see all the code snippets you've added and applied to your WooCommerce site. To display category name for each product in WooCommerce shop page, we need to add a new code snippet. Click on the Add New button located at the top part of your screen. This will open a code editor where you'll input your custom code. Now, I'll be showing you the code for this function. Feel free to pause the video to copy the code accurately and add it to your code editor. The code tells WooCommerce to pull the category information for each product and display it on the shop page. Once you've pasted the code into the editor, simply click on Save and Activate. This applies the code immediately to your shop page. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce shop page will now display category names for each product, making it easier for customers to navigate your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.